Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and today you join me in London as I am taking a first look at the brand new Fujifilm X100V. So Fujifilm has said that this camera is small and it's its travel camera, so what better way to put it into action than to take it out and about on the streets of London to put my street photography to the test. See, I can do this on my own, I don't need Tony. This is why I needed Tony here. The X100V is the latest camera in the X100 series, following on from the X100F released back in 2017. These cameras are well known and loved for their retro styling and fixed 23mm lens. 5th generation brings us a new design. Compared to the X100F, this camera features some clean-cut, flat-shaped edges, along with an aluminium top and bottom plate, making the camera look and feel very solid. If you're after weather sealed, then this camera has it. Almost. You'll need the additional AR X100 filter adapter and the PRF49 filter to make it so. This is all down to the focusing system used, as it's external rather than internal. You just need to ensure the front lens element is protected before you head out into some hardy weather conditions. What other upgrades do we have? Well, the X100V boasts a 26 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor, along with the X Processor 4. Incredibly fast autofocus, HDR and 11 frames per second shooting in burst. Been using the camera now for a few moments. I've taken a few shots, and one of the things that I'm absolutely loving about it is the advanced EVS. So it's been improved over previous models. The advanced hybrid viewfinder features new OVF glass as well as a new EVF panel. It's now brighter, sharper, clearer and less distorted. And let's not forget, they have now added classic neg, monochromatic colour and clarity to their film simulation modes, which makes shooting and doing all of the enhancements you want in camera absolutely fantastic. I love a bit of classic neg, love a bit of monochrome, love a bit of that cross. Just loving the Fuji simulations really. The new 23mm f2 lens may look the same externally, but internally it's been completely revamped to offer a much sharper result across the whole of your frame. And one of the other things that I am all about right now is the tilt and touch screen. So we've got a 3-inch tilt and touch screen, first X100 to have it in the series, and I am loving life using it. It is so simple to use, and rather than needing to use the little nipply control dial on the back there, tap the screen for my focus points, easy as that, and I can snap away to my heart's content. If you're wanting to get creative with your photography, then the X100V allows you to do just that. You can shoot multiple exposures with up to 9 shots, along with focus bracketing in frame steps or intervals, all to aid in in-camera focus stacking. If it's video that you're after, then again, the Fujifilm X100V won't disappoint. With a heap of settings for Full HD and 4K video at 30p non-cropped, what's not to love from this small, retro-styled beast of a camera? And USB-C charging to keep your kit small when travelling. So I've really enjoyed my short time looking at the brand new Fujifilm X100V. If you'd like to find out any more information on this camera, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into one of your nearest stores where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. If you've liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.